Hello everyone, my name is Adriana and together with my classmate Oscar. Today we will present two topics of keys and constraints for our database modeling course. In database, design keys and constraints refer to the fundamental rules that ensure every piece of information in a system is accurate, unique, and safely connected. Creating table is just the beginning. The real challenge is defining the rules that prevent errors. In our presentation, we will see concepts like primary keys, foreign keys, and different types of constraint. For example, in a laundry management system, we'll define speaking rules to control how data is stored and connected. Throughout this video, we will explain this concept and show how we applying them in our project.
Let's start with the indifer in the database design. The primary key refers to column the unique in identifies. Each row in the table resign no duplicate 6, but what happens when one column is not true? This is the where the compose key comes in. Is used two or more columns to create unique identifier. We also have candidate keys, which are all columns that have the potential to be primary keys because these both are unique to connect our data. We use the forking case, the database design the forking case differing on the attribute linked to the primary case in another table. This design decides user reference integrally, meaning that the relationship between tables remain consistent and valid.
Now, let's talk about constraints. In database design, these are rules that protect data quality. First, a null constraint refers to a rule that prevents empty values in a column. This is essential for important data like names or data date. Next, the unicate constraint ensure that all values in a column are different. For example, an email address. Another important rule is the shared constraint. This ensures that values meet a specific condition such as a price that cannot be negative. Finally, the default value is used when a user does not provide data, and the system automatically assigns a value. This design decision ensure consistency and reliability in the database.
To see this concept in action, let's look at your laundry management system. For example, in the laundry system, we define order ID and the primary key to uniquely identify or service. We also use forking key to connect each order with a specific constraint ID. You ensure that every service in the linking to correct a customer with chosen checks constantly for the within attribute because as the business rule it's cannot be zero or negative. Additionally, we apply to not null contract to the delivery date since the information is essential for the workflow. This design decision ensures data integrity and makes our system more reliable and professional.